Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can loop videos on CapCut PC. So to do that, you're going to go to your videos. I'm out of breath because I just walked upstairs, but I'm gonna try. So to loop it, select a video first. Then just right click and duplicate your video, or just copy and paste it many times. That's pretty much how you can loop videos. There's nothing much to it, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!